Alright, so about once a month what we do is we make chicken jerky for our pets. We'll go out and buy roughly 14 or more packets of boneless, skinless chicken breast and freeze those. Afterwards, we take them out and let them thaw just a little bit, just to where they're still frozen, but the edges start to soften up just a little bit. Let me take you through the process of how we make our chicken jerky, and I think it's a much better, healthier alternative to, again, the processed chicken jerkies that they sell at the store in these bags, little bags like this for like, I don't know, $35, $40 or more. You can make it much cheaper at home and much healthier for your pets. And so let me take you through the process. Alright, the first step here we do is separate the semi-frozen breasts from each other. Then I slice the breast to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Then we lay the sliced chicken breast on the dehydrator racks. Then we'll take our full racks and put them in the dehydrator. And then we'll set the timer for about 16 hours and temperature at 167 Fahrenheit. So after the 16 hours, the process was done. Now let's see if they'll like it. You want these treats? What do you guys sit? Lay down. Good boy, good girl. So that's how we make our chicken jerky for our pets. That meat slicer has been working fantastic for us. I'm going to put a link to that in the description below the video. Nice and healthy treats. Now, we used to buy the treats at the, where was it, Walmart, or your pet shops will all have them. Bags of chicken jerky. They were like, the big bags, they were like, I don't know, what were they, $35, $40. They were at one point over $40-something for those bags. And you read the ingredients and they are processed. They got junk in there, chemicals that make them keep their color and freshness or whatever. It's garbage, people. Yeah, the dogs will eat them just like we'll eat junk food, but they don't know any better, okay? Stuff will kill them. So better off making it at home yourself, and you'll know in your heart that you're giving them real food and you're not causing inflammation in their bodies, and it'll be much healthier for them. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video on keeping your dogs healthy and your pets in general. They will thank you for it by giving you more love and being happier, and living a disease-free life is what it's all about. Because just like us, they don't want to be sick and miserable. They just want to be happy and enjoy life. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, let go, let go, let go. Let go. Oh, look, an eagle. Watch my fingers. Watch my fingers. Watch my fingers. Okay, let go, let go. Let go. Nia. Nia, let go.